responses while maintaining a conversational tone. Think about chatbots that truly understand your needs and offer tailored solutions in real time. Creative arts. Artists, musicians, and creators can explore new avenues of creativity. From generating story ideas to composing music, GPT-5 can collaborate, sparking inspiration and innovation. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts, researchers, and everyday users alike. GPT-5. That's right, folks. The next big leap in AI evolution is upon us, and we're here to break it all down for you. So, if you're curious about what GPT-5 can do, how it differs from its predecessors, and what this means for the future of artificial intelligence, stick around. First things first, what exactly is GPT-5? Well, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's the latest iteration of the AI language model developed by OpenAI. GPT-5 builds on the successes of GPT-3 and GPT-4, enhancing its capabilities to understand and generate human-like text. Now, let's talk about some key improvements that GPT-5 brings to the table. Enhanced understanding. GPT-5 boasts a deeper understanding of context and nuance. This means it can interpret complex queries more accurately, providing responses that are not only relevant but also contextually rich, broadened knowledge base. With an even larger dataset for training, GPT-5 has access to a wealth of information, making it capable of discussing a wider range of topics in greater detail. Better memory. One of the most exciting features is its improved memory capabilities. GPT-5 can recall information from previous interactions, creating a more personalized and engaging user experience. Multimodal abilities. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-5 can process and generate not just text, but also images and potentially other media. This opens up new possibilities for creativity and interaction. Ethical safeguards. OpenAI has prioritized safety and ethical considerations in this iteration. GPT-5 includes advanced filtering systems to minimize harmful content generation and ensure a more responsible use of AI technology. So, what does this mean for users like you and me? Let's break it down. Content creation. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or just someone looking to create engaging content, GPT-5's enhanced capabilities can streamline your workflow. Imagine drafting articles, creating social media posts, or even scripting videos with AI that understands your style and preferences. Education and learning. Students and educators can benefit tremendously. GPT-5 can assist in tutoring, generating quizzes, and even providing detailed explanations of complex subjects, making learning more interactive and accessible. Business applications. Businesses can leverage GPT-5 for customer service, automating responses while maintaining a conversational tone. Think about chatbots that truly understand your needs and offer tailored solutions in real time. Creative arts. Artists, musicians, and creators can explore new avenues of creativity. From generating story ideas to composing music, GPT-5 can collaborate, sparking inspiration and innovation. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to address some challenges that come with GPT-5's capabilities. Misinformation. With its vast knowledge base, there's a risk of generating misleading or false information. It's crucial for users to verify facts and approach AI-generated content critically. Job displacement. As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, there's a valid concern about job displacement. While AI can enhance productivity, it's important for society to find a balance and consider how to upskill the workforce. Ethical use. As we rely more on AI, ethical considerations become paramount. OpenAI's focus on responsible AI is a step in the right direction, but ongoing dialogue and regulation are needed to ensure safe usage. So, what's next for GPT-5? The future of AI looks promising, and the release of GPT-5 is just the beginning. Researchers are already looking into ways to make AI even more efficient, inclusive, and helpful. Continuous learning. Future iterations may involve more advanced learning algorithms that allow the model to evolve with the changing landscape of information and user needs. Greater customization. Imagine being able to personalize your AI experience down to the individual level, tailoring responses to fit your unique style or requirements. Cross-disciplinary applications. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see its integration across various fields, from healthcare to environmental science, improving outcomes and driving innovation. To wrap up, GPT-5 represents an exciting leap in AI evolution. With its enhanced understanding, broadened knowledge, and ethical considerations, it holds the potential to transform how we interact with technology. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on GPT-5? How do you think it will impact your life or work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Outro. Upbeat background music. Thanks for watching, and see you next time as we explore more fascinating topics in the realm of AI and technology.